Dear students, welcome to the class. Today, we will discuss about the principles of object-oriented programming. There are four main principles of object-oriented programming. The four principles of object-oriented programming are: first one, encapsulation; number two, abstraction; third one, polymorphism; and inheritance. These four principles of object-oriented programming are also known as four pillars of object-oriented programming. The four principles of object-oriented programming are encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism, and inheritance. So we will be discussing about each of these principles in detail. The first one is encapsulation. What is encapsulation? Encapsulation is the wrapping of data and functions into a single unit, and that single unit is called class, and this principle is known as encapsulation. Encapsulation is the wrapping of data and functions into a single unit. That single unit which wraps the data and functions is known as class, and the process of wrapping data and functions into a single unit is called encapsulation. Wrapping means covering. Let us see a real-world example of encapsulation. Suppose you write a letter to your friend. First, you take a paper or letter pad and write the content or the message of the letter in the paper, and you place it in an envelope. You write the address and you paste the stamp on the envelope. You seal the envelope. Then you put it in a letter box, and the letter reaches the destination safely. So these are the steps involved in writing a letter to your friend. Here we place the letter inside an envelope so that the content of the letter or the message is not accessed or seen by any outsider, and the letter reaches the destination safely. So this is an example of encapsulation. What is encapsulation? Is the wrapping of data and functions in a single unit. Here the letter or the message is wrapped inside an envelope so that it reaches the destination safely and no outsider access the message. And the second principle of object-oriented programming that we discuss is abstraction. What is abstraction? Abstraction is the act of representing the essential features, hiding the complexities. The act of representing the essential features, hiding the complexities is called abstraction. Let us see an example of abstraction. If you open a switchboard, you can see a lot of cables, wires, connections, circuits inside a switchboard. But all these details are hidden by giving a panel of switches. To make a bulb on or off, you need to press the switch on or off you need not to know the details of circuit. You need not know how the connections are given. You need not know how the electricity is passing. You need not know how the wires are connected. All these details are hidden, and only to make a light on or off, you need to press the switch. So this is an example of abstraction. What is abstraction? Abstraction is hiding the complexities and presenting the essential features. Hiding the complexities and presenting the essential features is called abstraction. And the third principle of object-oriented programming is polymorphism. Polymorphism is the property by which different objects respond to the same message in different ways. The property by which different objects respond to the same message in different ways. We have learned that different objects have different features, different characteristics and behavior, and based on their characteristics and behavior, different objects respond to the same message in different ways. Here we see a natural example of polymorphism. Here we can see different animals respond to the message speak in different ways. Different animals respond to the message speak in different ways. So that is what is called polymorphism. The property by which different objects respond to the same message in different ways. And the fourth property or principle of object-oriented programming is inheritance. Inheritance is the property by which one object or class acquires the properties of another object or class. The property by which one object or class gets the properties of another object or class is called inheritance. This is an example of inheritance. Here, the parents, the father and mother, have 4 children. Many physical aspects and character features of the parents are inherited to their children. Here, the children inherits many character and physical aspects of their parents. If we look at our own family, we have many of our qualities, our character and physical features are inherited from our parents. So that is what is called inheritance. One class or object acquires the properties of another class or object. Here, the class whose properties are acquired is called the base class. The class whose properties are acquired is called the base class or parent class. And the class that acquires the properties of base class is called derived class. The class that acquires the properties of base class is called derived class or child class. So these are the 4 basic principles of object-oriented programming. Thank you.